are doing a lesson on Gravity Falls with the ukulele. And so we got two parts. We got the rhythm part, and then we got the melody part. So we will go through both of those. So first we'll start with the rhythm, and I leave off the C string here, just kind of keep it simple. I'm just using three fingers. I'm using my thumb, my index, and my middle to play. So I'm going the first string with my middle finger, and then the second string with my index finger, and my thumb is playing the third string here. So just kind of doing this roll, just kind of starting on the first string, kind of backwards roll. And then that's my D minor chord. So my F chord, I just take my finger off, and I know on the ukulele it's this, but we're not playing that string, so I'm not going to worry about it. So, and then the next chord after that is our C chord, and then the A chord. So that's the intro part. So then after that it plays the D minor twice, and then the F, and then we got a bar here for the B flat. So the B flat, I'm barring my first finger here, and my middle finger is just playing here on the third string. Now if you got smaller fingers, you could probably go like first, second, third, but that takes you longer to get there. So, and it's a fairly quick passage. So my B flat, and then my C, and A again. So, and it does that twice, and then at the end it does one measure of each chord. So I got a D minor chord, then I got an F, then B flat, then C, and then A. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole thing for the right hand. So the right hand part, that's probably the hardest part of the song. And so your right hand, if you're not comfortable with playing with your fingers yet on the ukulele, or you're just using one finger, which a lot of us do, then just practice this slowly. So I'm just doing the first string, second string, third, back, second string, first, just back and forth. That would be the best thing you could do to get, really it's a right hand exercise. The only hard chord in there might be the B flat, where you have to bar the first two strings. So, but I think the rest of it's pretty simple. So there you have it, and that is the rhythm part. And we'll be back for the lead. Alright, we're back for the lead part for Gravity Falls. Let me put my notes over here so I can play what I should be able to play because I just recorded it. So anyhow, the lead part, I'm using the same three fingers. And so I'm using, in the second string, I'm just using my first finger twice. It's not too fast. So then on my first string, I'm using my middle finger, and then back to the second string. And then my C note on the third string. So I just play that. So then then back to C. So it starts picking up a little bit in the middle part. And then you have this nice C sharp, because C is right here on the third fret, C sharp. Then it repeats that, kind of. And then, that's not right. So then it kind of repeats. So after we did that, and back to the second string. So the middle section we got is going. to that part. Alright, from the beginning. Here we go from the beginning. So the beginning part goes, and then open. So again, I'm just using these 3 fingers, and play my thumb on the 3rd string, and then 3rd fret, open first, 3, 1, then I'm going, then I got, and then the next phrase is the, and then you got the C sharp, and then the ending part, and then you got this fun fast part at the end. And it's basically it's the keyboard part I just translated to the ukulele, and it goes. So I'm still using those 3 fingers, and then when I go to the faster part here, I use my 2 fingers. So slowly. And you can slow down the video and catch that, and I'll get the zoomed in shot for you. So here it is one more time. So the tricky part is you skip. So there's my D minor chord. Then I go to the A chord, and I skip the 2nd string, and then I hit the C sharp and the D. And that's it. That's how you play Gravity Falls on the ukulele. Both the melody and the rhythm. So that's how you play Gravity Falls with the lead. Thank you very much, and please subscribe. Appreciate it so much. Thanks again.